लाइन पे आ गए।
फोरम देख विनय आ गया।
लक्ष्मी लाइन पे आ गई कहते।
वीडियो कर बाबू विनय, ऑडियो
कर दिया
ऑडियो
ना
कर।
भैया, कर दिया ना। नहीं आ रही आवाज? आ रही नहीं आ रही आवाज?
तू नहीं दिख रहा।
नहीं दिख रहा?
नहीं दिख रही है, दिख रही है। वो गैलरी व्यू दबाओ, विनय जी है सामने है। हाँ
और कोई को हुआ क्या, कनेक्ट हुआ क्या, कनेक्ट हुआ कहीं? मैं म्यूट करूँ?
हाँ, एक बार आके चले जाओ तो अटेंडेंस आती है। क्यों? एक ही दिया और साइलेंस पूछ रहे कुछ हो गया? क्या है कि मैं ऊपर हो गए अपन ऑडिटर ही कैसा पड़ता है।
आई थिंक एक स्क्रीन में नंबर ऑफ शेयर होल्डर ज्यादा भी आ सकते हैं, दे कैन रजिस्टर लाइक दैट आल्सो। विष्णुकांत बोला सबना शेयर होल्डर्स ना धारा ना तन्वी ने अनुराधा ना बाजू ठेड़ जाओ बोलनो तो हो जाएगी बराबर।
विकास का नहीं आ रहा क्यों?
हाँ एक मिनट, दे आ रही है।
आ जाओ तुम इधर आओ।
उन्होंने भी आए, विष्णुकांत जी भी आए।
As it
हाँ, विष्णुकांत जी घर से है जैसा, बच्चे बच्चे भी साथ में ऐसा।
हाँ रमन भाई, shareholders has to stay or they are on their own, they can only see on the webinar, no?
No, all shareholders can join, but minors cannot join. I think on behalf of minors, guardian can join, no madam, Padma madam?
बच्चे है कि बच्चे ऐसा कुछ? 3 बच्चे हैं?
Yes, sir.
So like that, for quorum purpose, that will be okay?
Right, sir. Yes, sir, it will be fine.
So let...
If you have the quorum, you can start the meeting.
लक्ष्मीकांत जी,
what is the quorum, madam? How many shareholders?
Papa, where is the link? When we rest this link.
Anand, hi.
दीवाना। चांडक.
आगे ईमेल आईडी मेरा फोन पे है वो आरके
Hello. Good morning, sir. Sir, the quorum is present. We can start over. Miss Preeti, please take over.
Yeah. Good afternoon, dear shareholders. I welcome you all on behalf of your company, Inani Securities Limited, to its 26th annual general meeting, which is being held today through video conferencing or other audiovisual means. Before I hand over the proceedings to the chairman to declare the meeting open, I would like to highlight certain points. The joining to this meeting opened 30 minutes before the scheduled time of the commencement of the meeting, which is 12, and it will remain open for another 30 minutes after the end of the meeting. Members are encouraged to join the meeting through their laptops and headphones for a better experience and use internet with a good speed to avoid any disturbance during the meeting. Participants connecting from mobile devices or tablets or through laptops connecting via mobile hotspot may experience audio or video loss due to fluctuation in their respective network. It is therefore recommended to use a stable Wi-Fi or LAN connection to mitigate any kind of aforesaid glitches. As mentioned in the notice, the facility of participation at the AGM through video conferencing or other audiovisual means has been made available for 1,000 members on first come, first served basis.
विष्णुकांत जी से
Except for large shareholders, promoters, institutional investors,
आया
directors,
बोल
key managerial personas, the chairperson of the audit committee or NRC, and stakeholder relationship committee, as well as the auditors who are allowed to attend the AGM without any restrictions on account of first come, first served basis. Subsequent to the MCA circular of 8th April 2020, issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, the facility to appoint proxy to attend and cast votes for the members is not available for this AGM. However, the body corporate is entitled to appoint authorized representatives to attend the annual general meeting through VC or other audiovisual means and participate and cast their votes through e-voting. The register office of the company is situated at Hyderabad and it shall be deemed as the venue for this AGM, and proceedings of the AGM shall be deemed to be made for thereat. To transact the businesses as mentioned in the notice, the members were provided an opportunity to inspect all the documents referred to in the notice and the explanatory statement by writing to the company at its email ID, that is info@inanisec.in, till the date of AGM. The chairman would be responding the queries, if any, raised at the end of the meeting. With this, I now hand over the proceedings to the chairman. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Preeti Yadav. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. I welcome all to the 26th annual general meeting of your company. I would like to mention that in view of the massive outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, social distancing is a norm to be followed. And therefore, this AGM today has been convened through video conferencing or other audio visual means in compliance with the Companies Act 2013, read with specific circulars dated 8 April 2020, 13th April 2020, and 5th May 2020, issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India, which exempt physical attendance of the members to the AGM venue. The quorum being present, I declare the meeting open. The notice convening this meeting and the director's report has already been emailed to all the shareholders and are taken as read. I welcome other colleagues on the board to your company to the 26th annual general meeting. Let me introduce to the board of directors your directors. Please, the directors, introduce yourself. First, Ramakant Inani.
I am Ramakant Inani. I welcome the shareholders to this AGM.
Then Vishnukant Inani.
I, Vishnukant Inani, welcome you, all the shareholders to the AGM.
Then Anand Ramesh Chandra Chandak. Please unmute Anand.
Hello, I am Anand Ramesh Chandra Chandak. I welcome all shareholders to the AGM.
Mr.
Mr.
Ramak
Anand
Kabra.
Chandra Chandak is the independent director of the company.
Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rama Kabra. I am a director of Inani Securities Limited. Thank you. Have a good day.
Mr. Dhanraj Soni. It seems he is unable to log in. He is trying. Yes, I hand over to Mr. Preeti Yadav. Madam, shall I read a chairman's speech?
Yeah.
I think with the permission of the shareholder, we will take it as read.
No, sir. Actually, Lakshmikant, sir, I request
Yes,
you
madam.
to read the chairman's speech, please.
Okay, I am reading, madam.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Dear shareholders, on behalf of the company Inani Securities Limited Board of Directors, I am happy to welcome you to the 26th annual general meeting of your company. Thank you for your presence here today and for your continued support and goodwill that is critical to the success of our company. The annual report of the year ended 31st March 2020, along with the AGM notice, director's report, and audited annual accounts of the company have been circulated to you by email. As India emerging is one of the fast growing economies in the world, the Indian financial services market is also evolving rapidly with significant potential for further growth. The growing Indian middle class, rising income levels, and increased standards of living are transforming the economic scene of the country and pushing growth across the entire range of financial services. Your company belongs to the securities market, which is the promising sector in the Indian economy for raising the level of Indian fiscal financial system. Directions of the economy can be measured by movement of volatility index. Stock index has been barometer for measuring the performance of economy with its development. Micro and macroeconomic factors have continuously affected the industrial growth. Risk in the stock market cannot be eliminated, but that can be measured with the help of volatility and variability of previous trends. Stock market is always related with the demand and supply forces, fiscal deficit, and potential stability. Global growth prospects and projected to improve over the medium term at the gradual pace. Your company deals in various types of segments, that is equity segment, future and option segment, currency derivative segment, and depository segment. During the fiscal year 2019, we have recorded a revenue of 30.06 lakhs compared to the previous year revenue of 13.88 lakhs. The current economic environment is extremely challenging, competitive, incentives remain high and is likely to increase. However, we remain committed to the drive business towards delivering consistent, competitive, profitable, and responsible growth. Having at glance that future, we foresee tremendous opportunities offered by our prosperous economy. Going ahead, our efforts would be to help for the company to grab the opportunities and meet financial needs. Your company has also identified various areas and is focusing on the growth segment within the company. The way forward will not be so easy. We do not know what the future will bring, but we do know that it will require everyone's support and contribute to work together and get it right. We are working for betterment of our services to be provided to the clients, and in this drive, we are enhancing, expanding our capabilities around several defining areas that show potential for growth and profits. And we move forward, we believe that the shareholders will benefit as we do the right thing for our clients and customers and the communities we serve. Your company was focused on improving the performance of the business, strengthening quality of services, and all with a view to ensuring a greater commitment of creating real value to shareholders. Our ability to successfully establish strong relationship with clients, corporate banks, retail clients, employees and investors, and know to these relationships will continue to provide as a strategic advantage. Your company always desires to enhance its business operations. Before I conclude, I would like to thank our board of directors, investors, clients, bankers, employees for the trust and support. I thank government authorities for their continued support. And of course, I look forward to your continued support. Best wishes. Thank you.
Hello. Thank you, sir.
Yes, madam. Yeah, ma'am.
I now request our statutory auditors, Mr. Surana, to read out the auditor's report for the benefit of the shareholders.
Internal auditor, you can read.
Can I proceed?
Yeah, you can proceed, madam.
Yeah. As the notice is already circulated to all the members,
Yeah,
as per the chairman's page, we take the notice convening meeting as read. We have taken as read. I request all the members to mute their please to mute their audios.
स्टेटस भी लगाया देखने के वास्ते आज अच्छा होगा
विकास जी आपका म्यूट कर दीजिए वहां पर। विनय जी म्यूट कर दीजिए।
म्यूट करो, म्यूट ही है ना, क्या करना।
Okay. So, to conclude the meeting, the long-term impact of coronavirus remains unclear, but the company will maintain its focus on supporting customers and the economy through the crisis while continuing to transfer the business for future success. I'm confident enough in our ability to do this, and I want to again express the gratitude to our colleagues and customers at this difficult time. I would like to thank all the shareholders, board of directors, statutory auditors, and all our Inani Securities team for their continued support, and hope that this next time in the next year, we will be able to gather for our AGM in the usual way. Meanwhile, I hope all of you and your families stay well and safe. So can we conclude the meetings? Can do all the board?
Madam, put the resolution for vote.
You have to pass the accounts.
Sir, the statute.
And we have to reappoint the director. Resolutions have to be passed.
Yeah.
AGM का किताब लाओ.
If you are having, you kindly go through the
Yeah.
resolution.
Just a minute.
We have taken the notice as read, so okay, fine.
There are two resolutions that are to be read. Our Reshma Madam is reading that.
Yeah, please.
I request our Preeti Yadav ji to read the resolutions and take the proposer and seconder's name.
There are two resolutions, one accounts and second reappointment of Vishnukant Inani.
Yeah, sir. Actually, Miss Reshma has not given me the.
No, I will read. अरे बुक का है दो ना, जो इधर दो रेजोल्यूशन है ना सामने, हमारी बुक देंगे.
The first resolution is adoption of annual accounts and the reports of the board of directors and auditors for the financial year ended 31st March 2020.
Yeah.
Right? So,
yeah, madam.
Who is proposing the resolution? So can I?
Who is proposing the resolution? Propose करते हैं.
Can I have the name, please?
Well, I propose. Yes.
I propose.
नाम बोलो.
I, Shri Kumar Inani, propose.
Okay. And seconded by?
Anuradha Inani.
Anuradha Inani proposes.
The second, so the resolution.
Seconded by Anuradha Inani.
Yeah. I have noted it down. The second resolution is appointment of Mr. Vishnukant Inani as director liable to retire by rotation. So the resolution has been.
I, Shri Kumar Inani, propose.
Seconded by?
I, Tanvi Inani, second.
The third resolution is appointment of statutory auditors.
I thought it.
Proposed by and seconded by?
Seconded.
I, Shri Kumar Inani, seconded.
Since all the resolutions have been passed, there are 2-3 shareholders who want to ask some questions. Can we allow them?
Yeah, I request the chairman to answer the queries, please.
Yeah, sure. Any queries?
Ms. Preeti Govindia from CIL Securities. I have made you as the co-host. Ms. Preeti, I have made you as the co-host.
Okay.
Please allow your shareholders to speak at the meeting and ask them to unmute.
Okay.
I'm doing it from here. Shall I?
Yes.
The first shareholder is Mr. Sri Gopal Rathi. Hello. Mr. Rathi, please unmute yourself and please put your queries.
सर मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूँ सर कि सर ये कंपनी का फ्यूचर प्लान क्या है सर?
We are
हाँ,
not able
आपका
to hear
क्वेश्चन
you properly.
थोड़ा क्लियर बोलिए, अनेबल टू हियर यू।
He has already written the question in the chat. You can answer the question.
सर आपका कंपनी का फ्यूचर प्लान जानना चाहता हूँ
नहीं, अभी फ्यूचर प्लान अभी हम और एक्सपेंशन का सोच रहे हैं। वी हैव ऑलरेडी रीच टू द वेस्टर्न रीजन and we propose to reach to the northern and eastern region where there is a lot of potentialities there, and we are already there in the south. By that we can cover whole of India.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now,
Any
the
other
next
shareholder?
Next shareholder is Mr. Krishna Chaitanya. Hello.
Yeah.
Mr. Chaitanya, please.
Yeah, good afternoon all. I'm Krishna Chaitanya. I'm much satisfied with this service in this paddock situation.
Unable to hear you. Can you loudly?
With this new online, lot of retail investors are trading. Is there any plan for us also to launch any online portal?
Yes, we are already, our portal is already there, and our clients are using it, and it is a very helpful. The next, the future generation is for that only. Your company is already in that line.
We are right now making our app, which will be going online in next few days on the mobile. Where people can easily trade and they can transfer their funds. Everything can be done online. It's a process.
Any other shareholder? Mahesh.
Hello. Mr. Mahesh, please unmute yourself.
Company planning to launch other services also in the financial market?
Yeah, Mr. Vishnu want to answer.
Our focus is basically on the equity, so we would be morely focused on equity research, and we have demat services with that. And currency we are trying to mop up, which is right now we are unable to scale up, so we are trying to do that. But for commodities, we are not thinking right now because the times are very odd for
Any
trading.
plan to for dividend?
Yeah, I think this year we would be considering it if our profits and all are. Yeah, I have got your question. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, you can speak, please. We can hear you.
Hello.
If you are not comfortable, you can speak in Hindi also. Mr. Mahesh?
Yes, sir.
You can speak in Hindi also.
हाँ
हिंदी
सर,
में भी बोल सकते
फ्यूचर के अंदर कोई प्लान है क्या सर, डिविडेंड या बोनस का प्लान कंपनी का?
Vishnukant to answer.
Hello.
This year we are doing, the broking industry is doing very well. I think we will be considering it going future.
Since there are no questions, Madam, you can move forward.
At this outset, I am thankful to all the participants of the meetings. Do all the members can log off now?
Okay, madam. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay,
So
thank you, Madam.
Thank you so much.
yes. So everyone can leave the meeting and the e-voting platform will remain open for next 30 minutes time. Thank you. Thank you all of you.
Okay,
Have a
madam.
nice day. Bye.
Thank you, Madam.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, Preeti Yadav and Loya ji and Surana ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Madam. Thank you, Madam.
Yeah, I just tell Vedant to contact. आप आपका प्रोफाइल
Sure. Namaste.
Thank you, Ramaji. Ramaji, thank you. Anand, thank you.
मैं मिलता हूँ पक्का मिलूंगा
Thank you everyone. Jai Shri Krishna.